We manufacture performance products and OEM type products for motorcycles, snowmobiles, ATVs, personal watercraft. Boyesen serves both B2B and B2C in the sense that we sell through a distribution network. We also have customers, OEM customers, we sell direct to manufacturers. And we have a reasonable portion of consumer sales. The accounting package that we were using was acquired by another company, and we were at that point looking to make a change. At the time, our manager was tasked with finding a new software for us. He was able through networking and some of his contacts came across the ALERE people and met with them, interviewed, evaluated the package, and made a decision to pull the trigger. The fact that, of course, that they were local, the dealer we dealt with was local, as helpful as they were in setting everything up. We have customization done on invoicing, packaging lists, special reports put together. Credit card authorization was a big part of it. Definitely have the need for barcoding. We have our own UPC, our own part numbers with a barcode. Our customers have a different part number for our item, and they want they've kind of pushed some of that work back on us. And so we do the labeling of their barcodes and part numbers as we fulfill orders. For us, for a company our size, the price point was exceptional. I mean, it was right in line with what we were looking for. I certainly would recommend ALERE, and everything that was provided service-wise, product-wise was excellent.